बिना टेफलॉन का लीक करता है क्या?
संभावना रहता है लीक करने का। 1% में टेंशन यहाँ रखेंगे।
वो एंड बोल्ट है वो सब मैं सुना नहीं लगाता कोई, एंड बोल्ट सब जो रहता है वो आउटडोर का जॉइनिंग में लगाने से सेफ्टी है। Guys, the thick copper tube is getting connected from indoor to outdoor unit with the help of some Teflon tape, and now we'll need the adjustable wrench to tighten that bolt. Is doing with caution because copper is a soft metal, and if you break copper pipe then it will be a costly affair for you to later install the AC. So guys, let me show you how the balcony is looking now. This is how it's looking. Model number of the AC, this is the inverter AC. I've just opened the outer box of the AC, and this is the outdoor unit. You can see very nicely written Panasonic, the brand name over here. This is the inverter AC, 5-star rating, which is also very nice. On the side you can see the shield blue technology coated fins of the AC that covers the pipe, the copper pipe. Underneath this fins you can see, and on the back side they have provided some cables and the copper pipe. One is thin and one is little bit thick, and this is all you get in the outdoor unit of this Panasonic inverter AC. The model number again I'm telling you, CSNU18 WKYW. This is the model number, and today only I got the delivery from Flipkart India. लगा दिया है उधर, लेकिन वही कि थोड़ा देख के वहाँ जाना होगा, क्या कि सीधा लग जाएगा। तुम अभी हाँ याद नहीं है ना हम लोग को, देख के ना वो स्टैंड घुसते साथ है निकलते साथ।